Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is November 5th, 2020. It's about 10 minutes after the open. We'll start taking out ES futures. I actually did this pre-thing right at the open. I didn't realize I was muted the whole time. So let's do it really quickly here. Right now, the Dow is jumping up 400 points. And as you can see, indecisive in the election. I really don't care right now at this point in time. After 2 weeks, I'll give it 2 weeks and we'll see actually who the winner is. Then we'll find out after all this craziness. But other than that, it's kind of weird that you see the COVID's numbers are going exploding and all these other kind of crazy different news articles. But yet the market's going up. You tell me that. Anyways, let's go to the daily chart first of all. Okay, so on the daily chart, as you can see, once we started, I said that before, but you would have been up 245 points. It's a little higher now, as you can see by the tick there. 245 points for the last 4 days since Halloween. It's been pushing up and up. So you would have been well over $10,000 on one contract in the green there. So with that being said, we're still pushing up aggressively. We'll see if it can break the 05 line or as high as up to the 40 line. Okay, now on the 4-hour chart, as you can see, we're having a small pullback. We had 3 o'clock actually failed signal. Most of the signals has been working very, very well here. So we have to see what happens from 3 a.m. until 10 a.m. So I'm going to be looking from 10 till 5. This is the time I'm looking at right now to see if we have a continuation. We need a pullback. And let's also take one more thing. Let's take one more look here. Where is our Fibonacci retracement? So, interesting. So we did a shallow retracement so far. So we still might need a little bit more of a pullback, but we still have 9 more days to go. Now, on the 10-minute chart, what I want to show you, which is really amazing, where the horizontal line, I put this horizontal line on. But what you can see this dotted line here, this is a market maker line. It literally touched it. And that market maker came by. Let's keep it going. How many days ago? October 13th. So from October 13th, it finally tapped and held off. That's why I said of the indicators that I create, like I say, I backtest over and over, testing things out. Look how powerful that line is to reject it. Once you're getting into the zone, there's a lot of them, you have to watch, that's your chop, and then it hits to the next level, as you can see here. Now we're at this level. If it keeps on breaking through, I don't know if I have enough data, but we do. We got to the 30 level, possible 40 top to swing, and off the races we go. But we'll have to watch. Right now, in about 5 minutes, the 950 signal is coming in up to 1020 and then 1020 on. We are at volume point control, so we really have to watch. It is on a day trend sell, so we're flirting with that area. But I'll start getting more confident if we break this, because as soon as we break this orange line, is the day trend lines from here to here, we will know if we continue on. Okay. So, next opportunity, let's take a look at it. 1.74, positive territory, 1305, 1308. Let's put some couple horizontal lines here so we know where our swings are. We can look at a previous history, and then let's go to our 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, where are you? Right here. Here's a 1 minute chart, there you go. There's our first big punch. And they're trying to flirt to break the zone. So 43, 45 looks like it wants to push up. We'll see after it breaks out here. Let's see if there's a breakout at 950. See if 950 fails. If it starts failing, I might be able to get it early enough for a continuation. But we're going to give it a few minutes here to see exactly what's going to happen. We just got to give that event. Because right now, it looks like the day trend possibly is failing. Now let's go back here. Let's open this up. We're not sure yet. There is a lot of big rejection. And we need to break this zone here. Once we start breaking the zone, then we know which way we're going to go. Other than that, I'm going to just put it on mute until we get into some trades here. I just wanted to tell you, since I know I only made $75 there, I was just testing the water to see what the energies felt like. And I still gotta wait until about that 10:15 until I feel confident. She's just needs to break that 08 level. And once it gets to that zone there, I need to see that pull back for a second attempt. I would love to see it come tap it, hit the 08, come back down to about, back to the 03 level, and then we'll try our second attempt. Other than that, I'm just playing around, and we'll see what happens from here. Because she's really quiet right now, and we need to see that turnaround time. Okay, alrighty. The reason why I took this trade here is we're above the 70% zone, and what I'm looking at right now is if we can break the 10 level, we can get up to, hopefully it works. Hopefully I'm not wrong on this trade here. But she's trying to break through this 10. I could close it really quickly for a few ticks there. And I'll find out right away here if we can pop this. If we pop this, the 10 level, we can get at least 5 points easy. We can get to about 15 to 20, somewhere right around there. We're really close. We've got about 4 minutes left, and then we'll know for sure. What I would like to see, hopefully, if it works well, as long as I can get 5 points in, and we're already at 2.5 points, so just needs to pop that level. Three points. $350. We need to break it right here. This is the one I want to see. Break the 10. There we go. 5.5 points, 6 points, and I'm closing. There we go. So $337 today. I always try to show you kind of a video of exactly what I'm looking for. I might still keep on going through. We're at 2% off. This market's still been moving up here. And now I'll take a look. I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for. And then if she's going to pop, she's going to pop. We're at 11 after a few more minutes here. So I'm going to bring back this chart here. Okay, and what I'm looking for is, see the zone right here. This is the zone we were playing with, and we have this lemon session right here. But these two lines, what's that here? And it looks like it's supposed to be pushing up from that 45 line anyways. Let's go back to this, and I'm going to move the screen down. And that pop happened because of these two lines here. Let's hope it. The first line here, the second line here. And the reason why it does that is because these are called the stop out lines. And what the stop out lines are traders, retail traders like us, and the market makers, or the institutions. They want to knock us out. So I use that as a target. So once it popped through and I got that 5 points or whatever on one contract, I cashed out and I'm done. So now I need to wait for the retracement, which it should retrace and continue up for another wave here. That's what I was looking for. So I know I'm not using, I still try to use this kind of for an entry to see how the energy was running, and it was going up and down, up and down. And I might have to update the scalp trader because it looks like the scalp trader, my fib lines right here weren't working the way I like them. So I'm going to retest this. But as you can see, we got to that 10 point, which I want to break. Hold up, now there's a big bid for a sell-off. So we hit those stop out levels. So other than that, that's it for the video today. I always try to show, a trade or two of exactly what I'm trying to do. I didn't explain it as much. It's just because I have this echo wave room. And basically what I'll do is I'll wait for the morning, and the market of course was running for 4 days, so we're going to be waiting. And the reason why I chose this box right here, it's if you own the software, the NinjaTrader software, you can use volume profile. And so I was looking at my 7 lines, but I also was looking at the high support and resistance. I think it's earlier factors. I don't know what it is anymore. But anyways, I just want the box out for confirmation, because we have 2 areas right here that we know it's been fighting, the 03 level, and you can see it vibrating, the deep retracement back to the scalping lines, that way we win again. Other than that, if you have any questions, join our Discord. At least there's some people chatting now, which is a good thing, but this is what it's for. So I'm not always online, but also you can just help people to get together, share ideas, maybe sharing strategies, saying, you know what, maybe this 4-tick pullback works or whatever. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at abc23trader, and I'll be happy to answer any of the calls or questions. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trace it, and you guys have a great day. Bye.